Central Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain due to thunderstorms. Minor flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the Missouri area. Up to 2 inches of rain have fallen. Will experience flooding include San Antonio International Airport, Leon Valley, Helotes, Fair Oaks Ranch, Alamo Heights, Terrell Hills, Chaminade Park, Hollywood Park, Cross Mountain, Alamos Park, The Dominion, Leon Springs, Timberwood Park, Government Canyon State Natural Area, Castle Hills, Balcones Heights, Hill Country Village, Gray Forest, and Fiesta. Are expected over the area. This additional rain will result in minor flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Keep children away from storm drains, culverts, creeks, and streams. Water levels can rise rapidly and sweep children away. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable and unsafe. Your weather synopsis.